for Cooper's Family Fun.
Good morning, everybody. So, we are doing something so cool today. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but Cooper is a huge Pirates of the Caribbean fan, right? Who's your favorite person on Pirates of the Caribbean?
Captain Jack.
Captain Jack. So, we found out that some of the actual ships from the movie are in a town like an hour away from our house. So we came here and we get to go see some actual ships from the actual Pirates of the Caribbean movie. Cooper's getting his pirate stuff on. I think we get to go on one of the ships, just like to look around and stuff. So we'll have to go check it out.
No, maybe there's people we can ask so we can drive it.
Oh. Well, we are going to head down and Cooper's going to finish getting his pirate stuff on. And we'll go check it out. We're really excited. Cooper, let me check out your pirate's outfit. Yeah.
And look at all that water.
This is pretty cool, bud. You want to go up there?
Yeah.
Okay, follow. Maybe.
Look at this treasure chest.
This is treasure chest?
Yeah, treasure chest.
Pirate on board.
Watch out. Steal your treasure. This is so cool. Cooper just found a cannon. Well, show us.
Right there.
Show us.
There's two.
There's two cannons. It says do not open.
Does it open?
This is where they sleep. They sleep down here. This is where they live. The pirates. And their shirts. This is cool. It's down in the main hold. We just came down these stairs.
Okay. Look up. There you go. You gotta pull it down.
Watch out you get out from under it.
There you go.
Wow, Coop.
Okay, and we gotta pull it out, right? Put it up here.
What is that doing?
That's it.
Oh, it pulls
Good
up the
job.
anchor. Good job,
You tell him
Cooper.
thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Lost of the pool.
We are off the boat now, but this is so cool. They said this was in the first Pirates
This was in
movie.
the movie.
Very first Pirates of the Caribbean movie.
Okay.
So Cooper was figuring out where Captain Jack was. It's so cool. The sun's up there. We're gonna take Cooper's picture now.
Right here.
Captain Jack there, matey. Okay, we are all done with our tour of the Lady Washington. Cooper, was it awesome?
Yep.
Yeah, what was your favorite thing?
The cannons.
The cannons?
Yep.
What was your favorite thing?
All of it. Just seeing Cooper on there. 'Cause you're Captain Jack.
My favorite part was seeing Cooper crank the anchor up. He got to like crank the thing to pull the anchor up out of the water. That was cool, right? But the living quarters down there where we went down, really stinky. Like I could still smell it. It was stinky down there, wasn't it?
I can still smell it. I can smell Dad.
What? Where's your
Oh my
shirt?
gosh. Where's your shirt? Yeah, it's back there.
Your
on the
new
seat.
shirt.
Your new shirt. Cooper got a shirt from the ship.
Hold it up.
And they told us that that was the ship in the first Pirates of the Caribbean. So the Interceptor, what they called it in the movie, that was the ship that we were on.
Show
So
the
it's
back.
so
Show
cool.
the backside. That's the front.
That's the front. And then turn it around. Let's see the back. I think the ship is on the back. Turn around.
Oh, this is the ship.
Okay, turn around. Let's see what's on the other side.
I'll leave this.
You won't believe it. Ooh, that's cool.
Well, thanks guys, and give a big thumbs up and comment below on that red button, and
Make sure you're subscribed to our channel.
yeah, and watch a lot of videos on our channel.
All right, well, we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.
Bye.